Born from the pursuit of excellence, tested on the industry's only real-world torture test track, the legendary Utility 3000R refrigerated van has earned a reputation for being the hardest working, most reliable, and most productive reefer in history. In fact, even before we introduced the current 3000R reefer platform in 1999, a Utility had been the #1 selling refrigerated van throughout the Americas since 1994. That's now an unprecedented 20-plus years in a row. It's what's at the core of the 3000R that leads to its success. Designed and built to exacting thermal performance standards, a Utility refrigerated van rolls down our assembly line without sacrifice to processes that would compromise our promise to always strive to build the world's best trailers. Utility engineers have achieved maximum temperature control through our exclusive foam mandrel, foam-in-place insulation process that ensures a 360-degree, 100% void-free insulated environment. That means a Utility reefer buyer is guaranteed that the floor, walls, and roof are one continuous envelope of foam. By using our unique mandrel process with continuous high-pressure foam, we have engineered the most trusted reefer in history. No gaps, no voids, and specifically, no missing foam insulation at corners and joints. And Utility guarantees it. Yes, guaranteed, not warranted. But beyond our core value, it's also our standards that contribute to the 3000R's popularity. Standards such as a kingpin section that is completely immersed in a heated tank with a rust-preventative coating, which provides 100% corrosion protection. By dipping each kingpin section, the Utility coupler section achieves a level of lifetime reliability and performance that other manufacturers can only envy. And the Utility barrier door bonded foam rear door design, which includes our external hat sections that mount all door hardware without through fasteners into the foam cavity, eliminating moisture entry points to maximize thermal performance. Under the 3000R is the highly versatile Henriksen Ultra K air ride suspension, featuring an easily accessible quick-draw air-operated pin-pull mechanism, and a heavy-duty 80K slider box, providing a full 96 inches of slider travel for added versatility in load distribution and sharp turning conditions. Another Utility first is the addition of trailer roll stability as standard. The Bendix Tab 6 Advanced with TRSP combines the advantages of anti-lock braking with sensors that monitor stability and automatically trigger braking intervention when detecting conditions that may lead to trailer rollover. The 3000R also comes standard with a high-impact lining throughout the complete interior and on the exterior underskin. Our .065-inch Versatech VR2 sidewall lining protects from forklift impact. This minimizes the chances of moisture intrusion into the foam insulation and reduces overall heat loss in the trailer. Finally, we draw your attention to our 20K Duct floor system, the highest rated standard floor in the industry. This floor system features full-length hardwood floor fillers and provide optimum performance in the harshest conditions. And its I-beam floor cores, rear grid system, and heavy-duty dockboard guide plates add support at the dock-to-trailer transition area. This continues to reinforce the 3000R's reputation for strength and reliability. There are numerous additional standard features, which make the 3000R the most respected and demanded, strong, lightweight refrigerated van in the Americas. To find out about all of our standard features and available options, call your local dealer or visit us at utilitytrailer.com.